Hey, 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 it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, here with another DAC sneak peek to unleash your inner artist. Yes, and you can probably tell by the thumbnail and by the box what this sneak peek is. We are back with a Little Diamondz. Yes, exactly. And I'm super excited about this one because this is one of my daughters. She is 17, but when she started out with the Marvel community, this was one of her favorite Marvel characters. We have Captain America, or as I like to call him, Running Man. I'm delusional. What do you say? Yes, so this is one of the Marvel characters that is coming out. It's a 9x11. Very easy. It is a round, and this is an all-inclusive. So this is going to come with everything that you need. It has 6 colors with 1 AB, which is an Aurora Borealis, and 1 fairy dust. We're going to see which colors those are. And it comes with everything in the toolkit. Yes, so this is your toolkit. I'm going to put a picture here of what is in this package so that we don't have to necessarily take all of our time looking at it, but you're going to get a twist pen applicator right here. You're going to get the traditional single placer, a heart wax, the stackable tray, which you can see here. You're also going to get the lid and the stopper, and you're going to get 15 bags that you can put your drills in. All right. You're also going to get this thank you for your purchase. Open it up here. It's going to have all the details of how to do it, what's in your package, all the funsies. Funsies. Here's your warranty and insurance card. It says register your product within 30 days to activate the following. So it looks like they are starting, you need to register in order to get the perks. So definitely make sure you start registering your canvases and using this. Oh my goodness. I would get this just for the card. Look how fun that is. Marvel Captain America. Now this is a bronze. The new cards do tell you it is a bronze. And then when you are ready, go into the website. It'll tell you how many bronze, how many silvers, how many golds, how many blacks you need for certain things. And when you're ready, you'll scratch this off and put the codes in so that you can claim it. So yes, definitely fun right there. And then this is your journal sticker you can use. Tells you that it's round, and then when you open it up, it has the colors. So it looks like this kit was probably printed before they changed their system, because it does have the 141 white, which that's an AB. The newer kits have all of the specials at the end, and then you have your fairy dust at the end here, which is the red, the Z666. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we've got. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and cut it because it's not wanting to tear. So even though it's a smaller kit and it's good in your price range, it still has the patent canvas, still has the serged edges, so that if your canvas decides to be naughty, it's not going to fray any more than past those dots. As you can see here, it has the perforated 4x4 cover sheet. Here is your key in the upper left, and it's going to have a key in the lower right. Oh, look how cute he is. He is absolutely adorable. Again, he is a 9x9, which is a 22.8 by 22.8 now. out here, it said 9 by 11. So I wonder if that's, yeah. Let me see my little measuring tape. Where did I stick my measuring tape? Here it is. All right. Excuse me. So this is 9 by 9. So the canvas itself is 9 by 9. So I'm glad we confirmed that. All right, so all the white is going to be your AB. All the red is going to be where your fairy dust is. Then you've got the background blue is going to be your 996. And your inside blue is going to be your 3844. I'm going to try to open it over here so it's not so loud for you. Okay, so this is going to be the face tones. Here's your fairy dust, which has like that mica powder in it. Absolutely so fun. Here's your AB, which is that sequence-like coating. Here's your 310 black. This is the color that is his suit color. And then this is the color that's the outside, so you can see the difference there. So fun. I'm gonna have to, I like the Loki one. I'm gonna have to go get that one. There's a couple other, I think these are just so adorable to go get for your sons or daughters, nieces or nephews. Just a lot of fun. So I am super excited about this one. Absolutely adorable. It is board glue, very sticky, and then the symbols, ultra clear. You can see it barely has the round and the black area, but for the most part, they've removed circles. And then on this, your drills, it does say Captain America, and it does have the SKU number, so if they are separated, oops, I'm so sorry, I bumped the camera. If they are separated, you can easily find them. And this is the Lil Diamondz collection from Diamond Art Club. So I would love to know from you, which Marvel character is your favorite that you'll be purchasing? So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.